Alright guys, Chicken Ship Farm's coming back. I'm actually picking up one of these Baitcasters. This is a Baitcaster on the other side. Supposed to be the easy cast. Pick it up for my son. But we were just looking over some of the cheaper reels here to try to get on the channel. And we picked up this ready to fish here. We did not pick up the reverb because I've had these before and I haven't had the best luck. Now these here, these little slingshots for 10 bucks, they don't last forever, but I mean for 10 bucks they definitely will get you fishing, so that's not a bad deal. And we picked up, I said, we picked up another one. Oh, we picked up, come down here, here, the slab shaker, right here, crappy slab shaker. It's this one right here. I'm going to do a review on that here shortly. I actually picked this same reel and rod up separate on Amazon for around the same price. Alright guys, we did pick up a pack of these, three pack of frogs for $4.96. We're going to try those out too in our little pond. Alright guys, John Chicken Ship Farms coming back at you. We picked this up today at our local Walmart when we were wandering around spending money for no reason. We got the Abu Garcia. I don't know exactly what this is supposed to be here. This looks like Gen Ike Easy Cast. I picked this up for Jay because on his other Baitcaster he's struggling to learn how to use it. He has a little trouble holding the line down as tight as he's supposed to and keep it from backlash. It's been giving him some trouble, but this actually has this little guy on here that holds down the line for you to help you with that. And of course you can remove this if you don't want it. See, it comes off of there. We're going to leave it on there for him because he's learning. But if you look here, learn to cast a Baitcaster. So oh, that's nice. There goes Ike Easy Cast. Bearings, looking to see if it tells you the ratio on here. There's mono and braid. Tells you what type of line you can use. I'm not seeing the ratio on here. I don't know. It might be in here, but here. Yeah, anti-backlash system, tangle-free casting, 3 bearings, pre-spooled 10-pound line, aluminum handle, soft touch handle knobs. It does not. Okay, there's your limited 1-year warranty. It's made in China like anything else today. And here you go. Learn to cast a Baitcaster. And of course you can scan this to find out more. See what we got. Here's a little information on the pole itself. If it'll focus, which it's not going to. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, well, what that says, even though you can't see it, is it's a 6-foot medium action, 1/4 to 5/8 ounce lure, 8 to 15 pound test. Abu Garcia Easy Cast. So this is not a 2-piece rod, guys. So this is a single piece rod. Okay. Definitely has a better looking eyes than what you normally find on a cheaper pole. This is actually the cheapest Baitcaster I've seen for some time. So we went ahead and picked it up. This was $44 from our local Walmart. So I have no idea what that says. Yeah, I don't know. But there you go. Abu Garcia Easy Cast. $44 from your local Walmart. I said one of the cheapest I've seen. And with these features here for newer anglers trying to learn how to use one of these poles, this actually might be a really good thing for them. But I say my junior angler Jay will be out today, and we'll see how he does with it. So we appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot, and we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, guys. Just going to tell you how to get the line through the anti-backlash system. See here. That goes over that gold bar and then comes back out and back under the silver bar. Now, when you first buy it, there's actually a string in here to help you thread it the way it needs to go. If you can see, we'll get that out of the way. Well, I love this autofocus. It doesn't work at all. There. Goes through the gold and then back under the silver there. So here, what you're going to do is tie the line on this loop and then pull it through. We're not going to do any kind of crazy knot here, just something small. There we go. See? And that comes through just like so. And then you can push this back down. Lock that. And there you go. Alright, guys. That's how you thread it through.